So in this video, I want to give you guys behind the scenes as to how I film these breakfast stories for Instagram. Today, we got Fruity Pebbles. Yes, I am a child. So the first thing I do when I'm filming these breakfast stories for Instagram is I want to get that nice vertical look that the Instagram story has. So I turn my camera sideways actually. For my opening shot, kind of like my other Instagram stories if you've seen them, I go into the pantry and grab the cereal box up there. Now to light it up, I'm going to tape this small little aperture light up in the pantry, shed some light on it. Does anyone else hate when this happens, when the tape doubles back over itself? So the other really cool thing about that light is I can control it from my phone. So if you can see up there, boom, boom, boom. So as I look into the pantry, I'm gonna flick the light on, illuminating the Fruity Pebbles box. So this light is gonna help put the Fruity Pebbles in focus for the shot as I get out the bowl and spoon. Now for one of my favorite shots, but certainly the dirtiest. I have to pour the cereal onto my lens, and it usually just gets all over the floor. Haven't figured out a better way to do this because it kind of sprays everywhere. Thought about putting a bucket under, but I don't really know if that works. I try to get this in one take. That was a lot. Whoops. Definitely gotta clean that off. I think Amanda's still working upstairs. I don't think she heard it. Hopefully she doesn't come down and see the mess. Should I try to eat it? Nah, there's like a lot of hairs in that. Just finished up the shot where I get the almond milk out of the fridge. And like in the Cheerios video, I'm gonna do a cinematic like pour of the almond milk, but the idea is that there's not gonna be enough, and there's actually not enough. Like we have no more milk left in our house. You know how when there's not enough milk left to actually pour a bowl and you get mad at whoever did it? Well, I'm the one who drank the almond milk last, so technically I'm at fault here. That's the idea for the video. This light right here, I want it to be an overhead light shining down on the Fruity Pebbles, but I don't have an overhead light, so I use this chair and made a makeshift overhead light on the tripod. So this screw fell off my tripod that allows it to rotate. So I got a wrench here. Now I'm just using this to tighten it down when I want it in a spot. If anyone has recommendations for a new tripod, I'm in the market. Just finished up the scene with the empty almond milk, and I just thought of the ending. Sometimes I make these things up as I go, you know, if I come up with a really good ending. And this one's gonna have a wow factor. Instead of just eating the Fruity Pebbles with no milk in them like I was going to do before and just make like loud crunching noises in my mouth, I'm gonna substitute the almond milk with something that tastes very similar to almond milk, and that is water. All right, now for the closing scene. I'm obviously not gonna like this, so this is the true reaction. Here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed that behind the scenes video. If you did, make sure you like this video, comment below with any breakfast ideas you have that I could turn into a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you get a bite of that deliciousness.